In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide rows in Google Sheets based on cell value. This is a handy skill to have when you want to clean up your spreadsheet and focus on only the most relevant information. Let's dive in and guide you through this process step by step. First off, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. You can easily find it through the Google Workspace page by searching for Google Sheets. Once there, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with your Google account credentials. It's important to note that being signed in allows you to access all your Google Sheets. With your Sheets page open, locate the spreadsheet where you'd like to apply the row hiding function and click to open it. Take a moment here to identify the specific column that contains the values you want to base your filtering on. For instance, you might be working on a project dashboard and you want to filter out tasks based on their status. This is the column you'll work with to hide rows. Once your spreadsheet is open, click on the header of the column related to your filter criteria. This will highlight the entire column. After selecting the header, right-click on it to bring up the context menu. From this menu, look for the Create a Filter option and click on it. This will enable filtering in your spreadsheet, and you'll see small filter icons appear in your header row. Now, go to the green filter icon on the right side of the header of the column you've chosen. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear showing all the distinct values possible within that column. Here, it's time to check or uncheck the values you want to hide or show. Consider a scenario where your column contains task statuses such as Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. You might want to focus only on tasks that are completed, meaning you'd want to hide the rows with Not Started and In Progress statuses. To do this, click on the checkboxes next to Not Started and In Progress to deselect them. Once you've made your selections, click the OK button at the bottom of the filter menu. You will immediately notice that the spreadsheet updates to hide the rows that don't match the criteria you've set. Now your view is cleaner and focused solely on the tasks that are completed. This filtering not only streamlines your view, but also helps in managing and presenting data more efficiently. And there you have it. By using filters in Google Sheets, you can quickly hide rows based on cell values, giving you more control over how you interact with your data. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to explore more features Google Sheets offers to make your data